name is Annie McCauley, and today we're going to be making cauliflower mashed potatoes. The only ingredients you're going to need are some riced cauliflower. You can get this in the freezer section. And I got some sour cream, butter, and salt and pepper. So first you're going to microwave your cauliflower the way the instructions state on the bag. And I'm going to strain it to get any extra liquid off. Since it was steamed, sometimes you do have a little bit of extra liquid. And we'll give it a little stir just to make sure, get any extra liquid out. And you will need a food processor, or you can also use a blender or an immersion blender. I'm going to put it into my food processor. And I typically just use ingredients until my ancestors tell me to stop, but I measured, so about 1/4 cup of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of butter, and salt and pepper to your liking. I'm going to put that all together in there. So I'm going to check it to see if the consistency is like mashed potatoes yet. If you like your mashed potatoes a little bit chunkier, you don't have to blend them as long. I'm going to blend them one more time. So now our potatoes have a good consistency. There we go. And we will pour them into our serving dish. This is a great low carb way to make mashed potatoes. And your family might not even know the difference if they don't watch you make them. And that's all you have to do to make cauliflower mashed potatoes.